the sun came out. Did somebody order a backside barrel, brother? Holy cow! I think that's a wrap for today. It's pretty much died out. It's like 1 to 2 feet now, and it's still doable. Like, these guys are making it happen. But I'm just tired. I'm done. It's small. Woo! How was it out there, man?
Dude, it was fucking radical there.
Give them the surf report for the day.
Oh, it was big, and it was small. My girlfriend's in it a couple times too, but we had fun out there, man.
Bang the nose, still getting out. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh! The seshi today, dudes. That wraps it right about up. You got some nose nailing 101 with JoJo. You got some fucking backside barrels with double G's. Fucking yeah, bud. Let's go. We'll see you guys next time.